Welcome back to Overheat. Renault Motorhome 2026 External Design. Basic shape, probably going to have the distinctive huge panel van silhouette of the Renault Master, but with side windows added. Aerodynamics, with cleaner lines and maybe an integrated spoiler. The design will probably focus more on aerodynamics for improved fuel efficiency. Illumination, headlights, taillights, and daytime running lights will all be equipped with contemporary LED illumination as standard. External options: alloy wheels, integrated side awnings, more color options, and possibly a bike rack or extra storage box at the back. The front chairs in the cockpit area can be turned to face aft and become a part of the living space. Galleries furnished with a sink, a small refrigerator tri-energy or compressor, a gas stove, maybe induction for electric variants, and a place to store food and cooking implements. Dining living area, a bed converting bench and a sliding or folding table. Sleeping space, a bed that is fixed at the back and can be transformed from the living space. Materials: lightweight plywood, premium laminates, and easily cleaned upholstery are examples of materials that are both sturdy and lightweight. Storage: use concealed compartments, underbed drawers, and overhead cabinets to maximize storage space. Engines: an effective DCI diesel engine powers the modern Renault Master. We may anticipate reduced pollutants, more fuel economy, and possibly a more potent engine option for 2026. Options for electric hybrid drivetrain: there will probably be a Master or all-electric version of the motorhome, providing a quieter, emission-free driving experience. Given the increased emphasis on sustainability around the world, transmission: there will be both automatic and manual transmission options. Park assist suspension modifications to sustain the motorhome's increased weight, guaranteeing stability and comfort while travel. Heating and cooling systems include air conditioning, AC in living areas typically built into the roof, and diesel or gas heaters for rooms.